Dearest gentle learners, welcome to Alohomora English, your place to explore the magic of books, improve your English, and learn lessons that stay with you for life. So today, let's unlock something powerful together. Listen and read with me. Chapter 1. What is Ikigai? Ikigai means reason to live. It is the reason why you wake up every morning. It gives you energy and motivation. For example, a student wakes up early to study because he wants to become a doctor. That goal gives him energy and direction. That goal becomes his Ikigai. Chapter 2. Stay young by staying active. In places like Okinawa, people stay active even when they grow old. They do not sit idle. A simple real-life example is a 70-year-old man in Japan who goes for a morning walk every day, does small gardening, and talks to his friends. Because of this, he feels fresh and happy. On the other hand, a person who sits all day and watches TV often feels tired and bored. This shows that staying active helps you stay young. Chapter 3. Happiness and Health. Happiness also plays a very important role in life. Imagine two people. One person is always worried about money and keeps overthinking. Another person laughs with friends and stays positive. Over time, the second person lives a healthier life. Even students can feel this. If you stress too much during exams, you feel tired and confused. But if you stay calm, you perform better. A happy mind keeps the body healthy. Chapter 4. Life needs meaning. Life also needs meaning, not just money. For example, a person may earn 1 lakh rupees per month, but still hate his job. Even with money, he feels empty inside. Another person may earn less, but loves teaching students. That person feels happy and satisfied. This shows that money without purpose cannot give real happiness. Chapter 5. Flow. Enjoying work. Another important idea is flow, which means enjoying your work deeply. For example, a gamer can play for hours and forget time. A designer can create art and feel joy. A coder can write code with full focus. Even students feel this when they enjoy a subject. When you enjoy what you do, work becomes easy and fun. Chapter 6. Small daily improvement. Success does not come in one day. It comes from small daily improvement. For example, doing gym for 10 minutes daily improves your body. Studying 1 hour daily increases your knowledge. A business also grows step by step. Many people make the mistake of trying to do everything in one day. But real success comes from consistency. Small daily steps lead to big results. Chapter 7. Simple living. Simple living also brings peace. Some people spend money on expensive things just to show others. but they feel stress inside. On the other hand, a person who lives simply, saves money, and spends time with family feels peaceful and satisfied. A simple life reduces stress and increases happiness. Chapter 8. Eating Habits. Food habits also affect our life. Eating too much junk food can lead to weight gain and low energy. Eating simple home food keeps the body healthy. Many people eat until they feel very full and heavy. But a better habit is to stop before you feel completely full. Eating less and eating right keeps you active. Chapter 9. Daily movement. Movement is also very important. For example, an office worker who sits for 8 to 10 hours may face back pain and low energy. But a person who walks for 30 minutes daily feels active and fresh. Students who play sports also have better energy and focus. Movement gives energy to the body. Chapter 10. Accept problems. Life is not always easy. Problems and failures are part of life. For example, if you fail an exam, you may feel sad. At that moment, you have two choices. You can quit, or you can learn and try again. Successful people choose to try again. The same happens in business. Failure teaches lessons and helps people grow stronger. Problems are not the end. They are part of the journey. Chapter 11. Find your Ikigai. Finding your Ikigai means understanding yourself. You need to ask 4 questions first. What do you love? Second, what are you good at? Third, what can you earn money from? Fourth, what does the world need? When these answers come together, you find your purpose. For example, a teacher loves teaching, is good at explaining, earns money, and helps students. Teaching becomes his Ikigai. A software developer loves coding, solves problems, earns money, and builds useful apps. So coding becomes his Ikigai. A YouTuber who enjoys sharing knowledge, explains well, earns money, and helps people learn can find Ikigai in creating content. Key takeaways: stay active, stay happy, eat healthy, keep improving, accept problems, and find your purpose. Life becomes meaningful when you do what you love in a simple and consistent way. Thank you for learning with me. Like and subscribe for more simple and easy learning videos.